Hello students, welcome to the online classes of Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Students, today we are going to discuss about our chapter 7, that is congruence of triangles. Students, first of all, what is congruency? Congruency means exactly same, or we can say if we are talking about the triangles, then the two triangles will overlap each other exactly. Okay. So here are the some criteria by which we can prove that two of the triangles are congruent. And the symbol for congruence is this one. You will put an equals to sign and then you will make like this. This is the congruency sign. Now first criteria is SSS. What does it mean? It means side, side, side. SSS means side, side, side. It means all the three sides of triangle should be equal. Okay. So as you can check here, triangle ABC is given to us and PQR is given to us, right? So AB is equals to PQ here. This is representing that this side is equals to this side. Now these double sides are representing that BC side is equals to QR and this AC is equals to PR. That means by SSS criteria, these two triangles are congruent to each other. Now the next criteria is SAS criteria, means side, angle, side. So in this DEF triangle and XYZ triangle, DE side is equals to XY side. This angle E is equals to this angle Y. EF is equals to YZ. So by SAS, SAS, side, angle, side. And by SAS criteria, these two triangles are congruent to each other. And students, you have to take care when two of the sides are given, then the angle between them should be equal. As in this, these two sides were equal to these two sides, right? So angle between them is this one E and this one Y. So these should be equal. If here is the case that angle D is equals to angle X, then we can't say that this is SAS criteria. Between the sides, angle should be there. Clear? Now the next one, third one is ASA criteria. Means angle, side, angle. So angle is P here and it is equals to angle A. Side is PQ and PQ is equals to AB here. This angle Q is equals to this angle B. So angle, side, angle. By ASA criteria, these two triangles PQR and ABC are congruent to each other, right? And in this also, the two angles which are equal side should be between them. Okay. So in this angle P, angle Q, these two angles are mentioned, right? So side between them is this PQ side. So this should be equal. If any other side is given equal, then that means we can't put here ASA criteria. Okay. So in this also, these two angles were equal. This side was equal and angle Q was equals to angle B. So ASA, by ASA criteria, these two are congruent. Now the last one is RHS criteria. Here R means right angle. R here means right angle. Means this is about the right angle triangles. Okay. Then next one is H. H means here hypotenuse. H here is hypotenuse. Okay. And S here is again side. Right. Any of the side. Now these two triangles are given to us DEF. And angle E is of 90 degree. PQR and here angle Q is of 90 degree, right? So as I have told you that how you have to say about the congruency, these are the steps you should write down to show any of the two triangles as congruent. Okay. So first one is you should write down that which two triangles you are talking about. Here I will prove these two triangles congruent. Okay. So I am talking about triangle DEF and this is triangle symbol. You know about this, right? Triangle PQR. Okay. By the for these two triangles I am talking about. Now first of all, as right angle we should say, right? So here angle E and angle Q, these two will be equal, right? So angle E is equals to angle Q. Why? Because each of them is of 90 degree. Now we have to tell about hypotenuse. Hypotenuse should be equal, right? So what is the hypotenuse in this? The side opposite to this 90 degree angle means this DF. And here what is hypotenuse? The side opposite to this angle Q means this one, PR. So as you can check, this symbol is given, it means these two sides are given to us congruent. So DF is equals to PR. So DF is equals to PR and it is given to us. We have to write down the reason also, that why we are writing them equal. Right? These two were equal because they were of 90 degree. These are equal because it is given to us in the question as this symbol is marked. Right? And the next one is side. So any of the side, either this one side or this one side, any of the side can be equal. Right? So EF is equals to QR. EF is equals to QR, as this symbol is representing that both of these sides are equal. So it is also given to us, right? So we have told about these three things. As you can check, in all the criteria we need three things, either all the three sides or two sides and one angle, or two angles and one side, and the last one RHS means one right angle, one hypotenuse and one side. Okay, so we will write down after proving these three equal that triangle DEF is congruent to triangle PQR, as we were talking about these two triangles. So these two triangles are congruent, and by what criteria? By RHS criteria. So like this you have to tell about all the criteria, students. Okay, so this is all about this chapter, students. Hope you will like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you, students.